Hi there, this is Mila with a little thought to all the artists and the creatives that are out there and not experiencing the success that you want to experience. Here's a thought. Your talent is not yours to keep. Your talent is a gift from life for you to enjoy while you are using it to serve all there is. And you ask for revenue through the service. So you can create and be of the most benefit to all there is. So think about it. You have a gift, but don't keep it to yourself. Create something that benefits others and exchange it for money that fuels your growth while you are enjoying what you do and experience complete fulfillment while being in your area of genius. Creativity is the greatest gift there is, and you have it. So have fun with it.